Hi guys, welcome back to Equestrian. Caitlin's back again.
Yep.
And we're here at lawnmower racing, but it's a bit different because there's a lot more. But it's not. There's diggers there.
There's a paddock.
Yeah.
Behind it.
And there's horses.
And there's horses over there.
Yeah, some expedition thing in the jig.
Yeah.
And there's Clydesdales ploughing. And they're doing a competition, I think.
Yeah.
Tractors versus Clydesdales. And there's also lawnmower racing. So yeah, we thought we'd vlog it. And Caitlin's back, so.
Yeah. I've been in so many videos lately.
Yeah, could be in like every single video.
Pretty much.
Oh, Rocky's not here. Caitlin's here.
Yes, I'm here. Not as good as Rocky, but
Yeah. Anyways, guys, so we have all these tractors. Don't really know why.
they're racing apparently.
Yeah,
It's going to be a very slow race though, I think.
I reckon.
It'll be a snail race.
Yeah. And then let's find the horses. We went and saw the horses before, but I kind of forgot to film.
Yeah.
It'll be a bit awkward. Where is that?
They're
Where's
over there?
there's a
I
there's
don't know where
two.
the other ones are gone.
Yeah. I don't know, but anyways, there's two there. Oh, the digger's in the way. Can't see them. Anyways, this is the racetrack. Oh, we're zoomed in. And Caitlin. Oh, so funny.
Got to make it the track flat.
Yeah.
That's what they're doing. It was really bumpy.
Yeah. So it's not really going that well.
Nah, it's gone stuck so many times.
Is that guy trying to push it out or what? Don't know. Anyways, we lost the Clydesdales.
We lost the Clydesdales. How did we manage to do that?
Are they back in the trucks?
It looks like it, possibly.
Maybe.
I hope they are.
Oh no, they're there.
Fancy.
They're so pretty. So I guess all these ones are keen.
Yeah,
I reckon the black will win.
I think so too.
They look very, very keen.
Yeah. Like, we're ready to go, let's go.
Yeah. Oh, they're gorgeous though. I'm very excited. Look, found the other Clydesdales there all the way.
You could
Down
just see
there.
a brown blob.
Yeah.
Is the phone zooming far enough or not?
Kind of, but it like goes out of focus if you zoom it in so much. Where are they there? You can kind of see them. It's really bad.
They're really far away.
They're very far away. Anyways, those Clydesdales. Are they getting hooked up to their thingy? So, all the tractors get a head start.
They get a big head start because the
Yeah.
horses will probably win,
Yeah.
considering how fast some tractors go.
Yeah.
And they have a pretty good chance of doing it.
Especially these two.
Mm.
Those two seem very, very keen.
Yes.
Yeah.
What's the bet those ones win?
Probably.
Probably.
Anyway, we saw the like babe road one. Her name was Anna, wasn't it? It was back to save the roller. Yeah. Oh, he's gonna run over the pallet. No, he's not. Guys, this is our mower. Probably seen it 100 times. I'm guessing. But anyways, that's our mower. You guys all know that. Oh. that for the thumbnail. Guys, we are heading down.
Hi.
To see the horses. They're all the way in the corner of this massive paddock, which is a bit annoying. But anyways, we're really confused. We don't know where they're going to go.
Yeah. It looks like they're down there because it's like sticks.
It's like an obstacle course, so
Yeah.
I just want to know how close we can get to them.
Yeah. We can go stand where all those people are probably.
Yeah,
If you sing, I don't know.
I'd say so.
I'm guessing. This is just a marking line, baby.
No, that's what I thought. I thought we might not be allowed to pass this thing.
Yeah.
Anyways, it's the whole field. All my races are. What do we do there?
Is that
It's a pretty big field.
Mm.
And we're here.
They've got their engines going.
We
got
they haven't yet.
just because one tractor started. I think they're ready. The horses are still very much asleep.
Yeah.
Tiny little steps.
There we go. Go, go, go. Oh, yeah, they're actually ready to go. Oh, oh.
That doesn't seem that great. That's not great.
No. Oh, oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Woo. Oh.
Save me! Gonna hide behind here. It's okay, mate. Yeah, I'll return into that. Did you get that on video?
Yup, all of it. Heading back from the ploughing. It was very eventful.
Yes, it was.
It was very eventful, as you guys would have seen.
Yes.
Don't really know what happened, but yeah. And now we have to walk all the way back. It's a massive field, but
yeah. There's like parts everywhere. There's like the lawnmower part, the tractor, and horses part.
Yeah,
everywhere.
Everything's race. But anyways. The black horses won the race.
Yeah.
I think, if that was a race.
I don't think it was.
It's hard to tell, but
it was just a very slow race.
Yeah. It was very, very slow. But yeah, the black horses won well and truly.
Yeah.
everybody. Caitlin's actually gone home now, and we forgot to film an outro. So here I am doing the outro now. But anyways, it was a really fun day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again for another one. Bye!